Good morning, student. Without being delay, I would like to start today's class with this thought. Don't stop when you are tired. Stop when you are done. Don't stop when you are tired. Stop when you are done. So without getting tired, we should start today's class, Standard 10th, Chapter 4, The Making of Germany and Italy. And now today's point is the strange case of Britain. You have studied in this chapter about the unification of Germany and unification of Italy. Today I will teach you about the Britain. There is a question. Question is that which country may be the example of nation or nation state? Children, some scholars have urged that it is the Great Britain. But in Britain, the formation of nation or nation state was not a result of sudden upheaval or revolution. It was the result of long drawn out process. You should know that there was no British nation prior to the 18th century in Europe. The primary identities of people who inhabited in these islands were ethnic, such as English, Wales, Scot or Irish. Ethnic means relates to a common racial, tribal or cultural origin or background that a community identifies with or claims. Student, all these ethnic groups had their own cultural and political traditions. In the islands, English or England steadily grew in the wealth, importance and power. And so the English Parliament had seized power from monarchy in 1688. And Act of Union, very important, Act of Union 1707 between England and Scotland, that resulted in the formation of United Kingdom of Great Britain. Act of Union 1707 between England and Scotland resulted in the formation of United Kingdom of Great Britain. Means in 1707 Great Britain named country appeared, but it means that the distinctive culture of Scotland was suppressed, disappeared, and Ireland, other islands of British island group, Ireland suffered the same fate. Ireland was the country of deeply divided between Protestant and Catholic. But England helped the Protestant to establish its domination over the largely populated Catholic country Ireland. There was a revolt, but this Catholic revolt was suppressed, and by the failed revolt led by Wolfe Tone, Ireland was forcibly incorporated into the United Kingdom in 1801. In 1801, a fully Great Britain appeared. New British nation was forced new British nation was forced. The symbol of New Britain, the British flag Union Jack. It is the example of British flag Union Jack. National anthem God Save Our King. National language became the English. And the older nation like Scotland, Wales survived as the subordinate part of this union. So student, it is the strange case of Britain. Now our question, how was the history of nationalism in Britain unlike the rest of Europe? So this chapter, the making of Germany and Italy, completed. Today is the part third and the last part. You have studied about the unification of Germany, Italy and the strange case of Britain. Thank you.